In today's connected world, network security isn't just for tech experts. It's vital for everyone. Threats like man-in-the-middle attacks, where criminals eavesdrop on your data, IP spoofing, where attackers disguise their location, and brute force attacks, which try to crack your passwords, are becoming more common. But there are defenses. Think of network security as layers of protection. Firewall rules control network traffic, allowing only legitimate connections. IPS and IDS systems detect and prevent malicious activity in real time. The modern approach is zero trust. Never trust, always verify. Every user, every device, must prove they are who they say they are. Here are simple steps to improve your network security. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Keep your software updated. Establish secure network connections. Network security is a shared responsibility. By understanding threats and taking precautions, we can all stay safer online.